whatever you focus on in your life, my friends, it will grow. It might be good, it might be bad. Law of focus does not understand कि ये आपको नहीं चाहिए. आप सुबह उठकर बोलते हो जाओ आज तो दिन ही खराब है, क्या होता है? दिन ही खराब हो जाता है. करेक्ट? आज तो मुझे लगता नहीं कोई काम बनेगा. That is exactly what happens, because that is exactly what you're manifesting into your system. Why do you think only 3 to 4% of the people in the world governs and controls the rest 96%? You know that's a fact, right? Pleasure, my friends, most of the time we mistake pleasure for happiness. What is pleasure? Pleasure only invokes and activates 9% of our brain, while happiness activates 91% of it. Just because something made you happy in the past, is it the guarantee that it will make you happy again? पहली गाड़ी जब ली थी तो कितनी खुशी हुई थी? दोबारा हुई? दोबारा दूसरी करने में? पहली बार शादी करी थी तो कितनी खुशी हुई थी? वो कह रहे दूसरी करने के बाद शायद ज़्यादा मिल जाए, लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है अभी वो. Meaning to say is, our perspective on happiness changes as well. Just because something made me happy today is no guarantee that it is going to make me happy tomorrow as well. Clap, move, jump, clap, 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 jump. Fantastic. जोरदार तालियां आपके. When a garbage is left unattended for a very long period of time, what happens?
It rots.
It rots. It starts to decay. Now all the emotions that we gather through the day, all the negativity, all the garbage, and I'm using the word garbage very responsibly because accept this, more than 50% of the emotions that we have during the day are not very pleasant. We are going through stress, we are going through anxiety, we are going through anger, a lot of emotions that happens during the course of the day. But what do we do by the end of the day? Do we take efforts to take it out? दूसरे दिन तो वैसे ही फिर से उठ के चले गए. तो जो गार्बेज एक्यूमुलेट किया है वो जाएगा किधर? Where will it go? It will start to manifest itself in your physical body as ailments and diseases. I meets the eye, right? And then we say we are not able to form connections in today's time. आजकल ना दोस्ती अच्छी नहीं होती, आजकल relationship अच्छे नहीं होते, because you are carrying this with you all the time. When you are so much concerned and so much absorbed into your labels that you have garnered in your life, how will you be able to form the true connections, my friend? So the next time you are feeling low and down, you will not think, what will I do in here? I will think, how will Anand react to this? Anand is a superhero, na? This is a superhero inside of you. Lawrence might be bogged down by the pressure of work or by anything else in life, but then Anand will not, because Anand is a superhero. Magic only happens to those who believe in it. How many of us believe in magic?
We had organized a session today in our office for all our employees titled Happiness Session. This was conducted by Alicia. A wonderful session which was extremely well received by all our employees. Very thought-provoking, a very different perspective on take on happiness and how we all need to look at the side of happiness to enrich each one of our lives, which in turn makes it so great for us to carry on our daily life. An amazing session. Thank you to Alicia and her team for making this possible.